He just doesn't want to be caught. There he is. You gonna give him a little kiss?
No, I'm not gonna put my mouth near his face.
That's cute.
Little guy. He probably just came out. They hibernate in like big holes in the ground.
That's cool.
I'm just a poor boy. Waiting for answers. No one heard you coming. I watched the ashes blow away.
The Bruins game 2 against the Maple Leafs in the playoffs, so repping the Ray Bork shirt. So, oh, and I'm matching. Can you see that?
Nice.
That wasn't planned.
Very orange.
Yeah, that wasn't planned. Oh yeah, what's today's date?
The 14th.
Oh, cool. It's Sunday, the 14th of May.
You're supposed to know that it's our anniversary.
Yeah, it's our anniversary.
It's Saturday, actually.
Oh, it's Saturday, yeah. It's Saturday, May 14th.
It's April!
Whatever the heck.
Robbie, it's Saturday, April
May,
14th.
they look the same month.
Oh, jeez.
It's Saturday, April 14th. It's our anniversary, so this is how we're celebrating it. By taking photos, fishing, going to be drinking, looking at some abandoned stuff. It's an all-around beautiful day in Massachusetts. Okay, ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Cheese.
Hoping to find meaning. To the nights getting longer. With luck I can break this feeling.
Looks like they cleared it out. No, I'm good. Alright, so this is an abandoned mill that was turned into an old antique shop that I've had in one of my other videos. I'll put the link in below, but they're just starting to renovate it now. All this stuff is starting to come out. And there used to be a ton of antiques up on the top over there, but now they've finally taken all that stuff out, and I hope they do something cool with it. It's cool.
I like the windows.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Is that?
Stingray.
Is it? We were just talking about the stingrays.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Hey, look at Jesus.
Is that what this is?
Jesus, yeah. That's like on that church that says Jesus saves.
Yeah.
Who does book? Oh, beekeeping. Look at. Beekeeping. On our first trip to Florida. It's about keeping bees.
I'm pretty sure there's someone up there. Keep hearing glass breaking.
Yeah.
Or like somebody's walking around. I hope it's people that are renovating it, not somebody else trying to take stuff.
Alright.
Emily and I are out here fishing on,
What river?
I don't know. We're fishing on a river.
Excuse you. There's gonna be so many burps in this video. Your shirt has orange in it too.
Does it?
Or yellow. I don't know.
Is that sweat from the guy that I bought this from?
Well, maybe it's not sweat. Maybe it's like something else.
You saying it's pee?